Welcome back in. It is 6:39 right now in Baltimore City. A 10-year-old girl is recovering after being shot and wounded on Saturday. And then last night, a 12-year-old boy was shot in Northeast Baltimore. He's recovering as well. This morning, city leaders say they are working to make the health and safety of children a priority. We have WMAR News' Aaron McPherson live at City Hall this morning with more on what is being done now. Aaron.
Good morning, Christian. Well, Mayor Brandon Scott announced the Children's Cabinet Action Plan. Now, it may be called Children's Cabinet, but it's not just for children. It's for all young people in the city, and that includes young adults. Now, there are nearly 200,000 people from babies to 24 years old in the city, and this Cabinet Action Plan is to help all of that age group specifically. Now, the cabinet has set concrete actions to improve the outcomes for this age group and address obstacles rooted in racism, inequity, and poverty. For the last year, the Children's Cabinet has been engaged in the community, using work groups, surveys, and town halls to identify specific actions needed to start the path to reverse the odds these children face. Now, this research identified 7 priority areas. Those 7 priority areas are early childhood development, youth food insecurity, youth homelessness, youth literacy, trauma-informed care, youth diversion, and historical barriers for Black boys and men. Taking what they learned over the last year, the cabinet is now launching 15 actions this year. The goal is to identify which of those actions have the greatest potential to help improve the lives of young people in the city in a way they can actually measure next year. One member of the cabinet talked about his personal experience growing up in the city.
As a Baltimore youth, I've had to wonder where I was going to sleep. I had to question where I was going to get food. And I've also had to deal with the criminal justice system. I have a 2-year-old daughter that I'm working to enroll in school, while also dealing with the trauma and effects of being a male of highly melanated skin.
It makes a clear case. This Thursday, the Children's Cabinet Action Plan will be discussed during a hearing in the City Council's Education, Workforce, and Youth Committee. And every month, the Children's Cabinet will host a town hall focusing on the priority areas. And this month, they are having their town hall on March 24th, focusing on youth literacy. Live here at City Hall, Aaron McPherson, WMAR 2 News.